If you travel often or shop online in different currencies, the Wise card can help you save money on exchange rates and transaction fees. But how do you set it up and start using it? In this video, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to use the Wise card from ordering it to making payments at home and abroad. Let's get started. To get your Wise card, follow these simple steps. Open the Wise app and go to the Cards lab. Click on Order a card and choose between a physical or digital card. Fill in your delivery address for a physical card or select a virtual card if you want to use it instantly. Pay the small card order fee if applicable. Wait for your physical card to arrive or start using your virtual card immediately. Once you receive your physical card, activate it in the app by entering the last 4 digits printed on the card. To use your Wise card, you will need to add money to your Wise account. Click on Add Money in the app. Choose the currency you want to add like GBP, Euro or USD. Select a payment method. You can transfer from your bank, use a debit card or even Apple Pay or Google Pay. Complete the transaction and your money will appear in your Wise balance. Wise offers real exchange rate with low fees, so you always get a better deal compound compared to bank. Your Wise card works just like any other debit card. You can use it for instant payments. Simply tap or insert your card and enter your PIN. Enter your card details at checkout. Add your Wise card to Apple Pay or Google Pay to pay with your phone. If you are shopping abroad, always choose to pay in the local currency to avoid extra conversion fees. Need cash while traveling? You can withdraw money from ATMs worldwide using your Wise card. Free withdrawals up to $208.62 per month. After the limit, a small fee applies. Some ATMs might charge an extra fee, so check more withdrawing. One of the best features of Wise is automatic currency conversion. If you have the currency in your account, Wise will use it for the payment. If you don't, Wise will automatically convert the currency with the lowest fee. For example, if you are in France and don't have euros, Wise will convert money from another balances like USD or GBP at the best possible rate. Wise gives you full control over your card with the security features. Freeze or unfreeze your card instantly if it's lost or stolen. Set spending limits to manage your budget. Create virtual cards for extra security in online payments. Before you travel, go to the travel hub in the Wise app to check which currency to pay in for the best rate. See your free withdrawal limits in different countries. That's it. Now you are ready to use your Wise card anywhere in the world with low fees and the best exchange rate. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know your questions in the comments. See you next time.